Hello, you beautiful people. How are you doing today? Today's video is collab with Glam Goat, also known as Sue, which I'm very excited. It's a St. Patrick's Day makeup look. So we're going green, which is I'm very excited about because green is one of those colors I like to play with a lot with. But, you know, one of those things that I really do enjoy playing. I don't know if I'm going with a dark green, going simple, going dark. I don't know what I'm planning to do. I'm just going with what my hands are going to do and what colors I tend to pick with with green. You know, green is one of those cool colors to work with. But also there is a playlist down below in the description box if you want to check out the other ladies who has joined into this collab, and make sure you follow them because they're amazing. So let's get started. So I am going with my all-time favorite Beauty Creations eyeshadow primer. I love using this eyeshadow base because it's just one of those favorite ones. So I am going to use a new eyeshadow palette, but it's not a new brand to me. But it is a new eyeshadow palette, and it's the You Can Be. It's their green eyeshadow palette. This is called Green Forest. So it does have a lot of greens. It does have your, you do have two shades you can use to blend. It does have a lot of shimmers. It does have that mid-tones, light greens, everything you need in a green eyeshadow palette, which I really do like. They have these two shades right here, which is awesome. So it helps out the blending. So we're just gonna go for it. So, as I am wearing the green, I might match it just a little bit. When it comes with greens or browns, I kind of wear this dress. So I'm actually just going to go a little bit out of my comfort zone, but not out of my comfort zone, just a little bit. I might go with the green smoky. So I'm going to use this shade right here. See? And I'm going to put it right here in the crease and just blend that mostly right here. And that's what I'm going to go for. And we are going to use a light green, so to blend out that shade just a little bit, but they smoky eye basically. We're just gonna go and just go with this shade. This is such a pretty shade, as you can see. This is so pretty. I love monochromatic eyeshadows. Sometimes I have to stay away from that. Sometimes I just stay in that and trying to get out of my comfort zone. But this is such a, You Can Be is such a great product and everything. Or the product You Can Be can be a great eyeshadow palette. Uh, You Can Be a really great brand. Depending what it is, I like all their palettes that I've gotten from them. So I like it that they are affordable and cruelty free. They are made in China, so just FYI. What I'm gonna do just to help that blend just a little bit, I am going to go with another green shadow. I'm gonna use this white shadow right here because I need that to kind of blend a little bit into the brow bone. I'm gonna use this green right here, this lime green. This is such a cute, beautiful light green. Um, really pretty. It's a nice yellow green. It's a lime green. I'm just gonna place that right here. I do want it to be a little bit bright on that a little bit because we are going with the darker shade. I'm not going to use a gold because green and gold is one of those colors that too cliche. So I'm kind of going a little bit out of my comfort zone because every time I would play with greens and I see a gold eyeshadow, I want to play with it. I don't want to do that. Same thing with this eye right here. This is such a pretty. Look at that light green. I really like this. I really like this eyeshadow palette. This is actually my first time trying this out. So it's like, oh, I will put a link down below for you guys to get this palette if you really want a monochromatic eyeshadow palette like this. Just there for you. With all the money that I get from the video links goes back towards the channel, no matter what. Like my makeup, trying new products, new camera, new everything basically. Hopefully a new camera, because that'd be nice. But yeah, it is what it is. Okay. I really want to go with this green right here. As you can see, it's very a little bit kicked back, but it's not bad. And we're just gonna go a little bit right here. Like I said, I am going to go with that green. I am going to use this brush because this is a brush I've used, and I'm going to use this dark forest green right here. Then we're just going to go lightly right here. I'm just putting it, focusing that color right there. And we're going to use this one from Ulta. This is the, I got this in I got this from last year. It's their Tropical Twist Cream Eyeshadow Stick. It's like, Elf and Colourpop. It's it's okay formula. Am I planning to get more of these? Possibility. You see me doing that? Well, I can't see. Yeah, creamy as that is, and shiny it is. I like that. So these are really good for the affordability of it. But truthfully, I think Elf and Colourpop is a lot more affordable than Ulta. I noticed Ulta Beauty's products are very a little bit expensive. It's like, why is it so expensive? But it's okay. As long as it's a really good product and a good formula, I don't mind. The shade right here, you see, matches that green. Give it more an ultra shiny. Yeah, I like that. Should I keep it light? I don't know what do I want to do. Oh, as you can see, it's about having fun. Doesn't matter what age. Have fun. Don't be afraid of playing with makeup. Be bold. Be bold about it, man. This is a new thing. Being bold. No matter what age. That's why I don't mind collaborating with other ladies who are older, a little bit younger than me. Because I want everybody to feel beautiful. I want everybody to feel bold of whatever they want to do. And I can tell you one thing, these ladies are bold with their makeup. I really like that. Just because they're older than me doesn't mean anything. We're having fun, we're all having creative, and we're just being ourselves. So what can you do? Nothing. So no matter what age you are, have fun and be bold. Okay. Well, since we did the eye look, I'm going to be right back with that finished look. Just a finished look. I really do creating this look for the St. Patrick's Day collab. Thank you again for Sue and the rest of the girls for this beautiful collab. I really do enjoy it, and I hope you do enjoy the other looks that the other girls come up with. So I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.